Hello DB Besties and welcome back to the Design Bundles YouTube channel. Today we are continuing our series of showing you things you maybe didn't know we had on the Design Bundles website. This is another one that is included with your Plus membership, so if you have a Plus membership, stay tuned, keep watching, and if you don't have a Plus membership, now is a wonderful time to start a free trial because we have the brand new Design Bundles Creator that was just released. It's an all-in-one crafting tool for making and editing SVGs as well as sublimation files, DTF files, etc., etc. Also, you get access to the Plus library that has literally millions of files in it and so much more. So it's a great time to start a free trial, see if it's right for you. My chair is very squeaky. It's a great time to start a free trial and see if it's right for you. But if you already have Plus, you're gonna love this video because we're gonna talk about something you maybe didn't know we had included with your Plus membership. I think we should call this series Getting the Most Out of Your Plus membership or Plus Maxing. Anyways, before we jump right in, this past week was Mother's Day. So this video is probably being posted well after Mother's Day because we're kind of ahead on filming right now. But I do want to share with you, my daughter made me a Mother's Day certificate. I have to read with you what she said in her little Mad Lib because I think it's hilarious. My mom is the most wonderful mom in the world. Her name is Laura. She got that right. She's pretty as a princess. She's 34 years old. I'm shocked she knew my age. She has brown hair and brown eyes. Also kind of shocked she knew that. She's 4. This is my favorite part. She weighs 60 pounds and is 6 feet tall. Somebody call Tyra Banks. Her favorite food is everything. True. In the good old days when she was little, she used to play with baby toys. My daughter, ever literal. I think mom is funny when she tickles me. I'm good at that. I wouldn't trade my mom for anything. I love my mom because she loves me. Anyways, a little Mother's Day Mad Lib for you. Okay, without further ado, let's get into what you didn't know was included in a Plus membership. Okay, so here we are on the Design Bundles website. If you're not logged in, you're gonna wanna log in. Oh my goodness, we're about to get slammed with a really big thunderstorm. I need to finish filming this video before it's over because I can like see it getting dark out there and it's gonna get really loud. Okay, so if you're logged in, you need to be logged in. Go to the Design Bundles homepage and up here under Add-ons, we're gonna go to Procreate. Now, Procreate is popping off right now. So many of you have been asking for Procreate tutorials, and don't you worry, we have some in the works. So if you're interested in drawing tutorials, drop a comment below, let us know what you wanna see, what you wanna learn, because we are gonna start having Procreate tutorials here on the YouTube channel. But one thing you probably didn't know is that we have Procreate add-ons included with your Plus membership. And we have a lot of them, specifically 3,112. I can read, I promise. So let's just take a little trip through what we have here and I'll kind of show you the variety because we have brushes, palettes, and stamps included in our Procreate section. And some of them I use on the daily. I draw in Procreate a lot and I use these all the time. So the stamps are really cool. I really like some of the brushes we have. This is a great example. These like patterned brushes are always really fun. I don't find that I'm like reaching for them every day because they're kind of like niche, but when I use them, I love them. This Celestial Sparkles stamp brush or stamp kit is also really, really fun. I love the little sparkles that come with it. I like to make the brush size like really tiny and then like make them my stars in the sky. That's always super fun. And then we have tons of brush styles, like these glitter brushes, so cute. We also have stamps. This inking brush is one that I use all the time. I think like the settings on it are amazing for like doodling and hand lettering. So I love that one. I'm actually gonna favorite it right now because I find myself recommending that one quite a lot. This stamp brush is so cute. These little coquette stamps are fun for like making your own little digital scrapbooking pages, which, shameless plug, we did make a digital scrapbooking video like a couple weeks ago. So go watch that if you haven't already because it's how you can use Design Bundles to do digital scrapbooking. I also love the color palettes because honestly, I spend so much time like trying to get just the right color palette. I love when someone just curates it for me. This retro one is really cute. I love all the colors in it. And then there's a rainbow one too. Oh yeah, it's right there. It's right next to it. I love that one also. So it's kind of nice to have a starting point sometimes for these color palettes, and then you can kind of like mix and match from there. Let's see, what else can we get into? Lots of color palettes, lots of stamps. I think the stamps can be really fun. Fun thing to do with the stamps is to make custom coloring book pages. That's always really fun to do because you can just like make a little farm animal page and then draw your own stuff to like go along with it. I love doing that. This confetti brush, so fun. Love the confetti brush. I also really love paper texture brushes. This one is probably my favorite, the cotton paper brush, because you can use it to put backgrounds like behind your drawings, and it just makes it look a little more like you did it by hand, and it kind of elevates your digital drawing to have a little bit more dimension and texture to it, which is always really nice. Pro tip, I like to put the cotton paper texture behind my drawing, and then I put another layer of the cotton paper texture on top of my drawing and then drop the opacity down to like 10% or less, and it really is perfect. This little chain brush is so fun for making little string lights. We love that one. Also, this gouache brush is really fun. It gives you like a gouache paintbrush texture. That one is so fun to use. We're just doing like a rapid fire run through all these brushes and stamps and stuff that I love. If you're into lettering with Procreate, this ramp lettering brush, very fun. It makes like super cute bubble letters, and it's really fun to play with that one, especially in combination with the little calligraphy brush that we showed you earlier. That one's super fun. Also, you might not have known this, but you can customize what brush you're using for the finger smudge setting on Procreate. And this one is really good if you use a lot of paint style brushes because it creates a really authentic painty finger smudge. Let's see. Washi tape stamp, very fun. It's actually a brush, I think. Yeah, it is, it's a brush. Wet wash, paintbrush. This paintbrush is really good. I like this one too. You can see there's just so much to choose from. Like, there's a lot in here. And again, a lot of people don't even know that we have Procreate stuff in the Plus library, but we do. I really like this brush also for lettering. I think that one's really cute. This pattern grab bag is great if you like patterned brushes because it includes so many. And I think you'll just find yourself reaching for them quite a bit when you're like doing something fun. There's a lot you could do with that. If you don't have a good watercolor brush kit, you need one. I really like this one. This Wild Lace is a really great lettering brush. I love like the glitter of it all. It's so cute. Lots of good color palettes, lots of good lettering brushes, tons of stamps. There's just so much in here. Like I said, we have over 3,000 things in the Procreate section alone. So it's probably a section that you've never really explored, but it's there and there's so much in there to play with. So if you don't have a Plus membership, start a free trial, go check it out. If you do have a Plus membership, you're probably not maxing it out if you haven't played with the Procreate stuff. So I highly recommend it. I also really like this magic brush, especially if you draw like fantasy style scenes. I think it's like really cute. And it includes some little separate settings for different things you could be making. I like the wizard one the best, I think. The butterflies are cute too though. This one is also kind of fun if you're into like D&D or you like to do maps. There's like a little map maker and it's a set of brushes specifically for map making. So I think that one is really fun and honestly like very useful if you do that kind of thing. Honestly, sometimes I could just scroll all through all this. Oh, I really like this Dusty Pastels palette. I need to download that one. I don't think I've ever downloaded that. This one is so fun. You can kind of make your own flower arrangements with all the little like stamps included in it. That one is very fun. The Sprinkles confetti brush, I love that one. That's so cute. Wow, there's so much in here. I haven't even seen some of this. Okay, this graffiti brush is so cute, and that one's a bundle, so you actually get quite a few. The cloud brush is very fun and very easy to use. I think I've used that one before. Okay, you get the idea, you get the idea. So if you're not already subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you are. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing, because we're uploading videos every single week. And coming very soon is our Procreate series. It's gonna be for beginners. If you wanna learn Procreate, this is gonna be the series for you. If you're more advanced and you have something specific you wanna learn in Procreate, please let us know in the comments below. Also, if you're just interested in that series at all, let us know what you wanna see. We're still kind of working on it, but we know this is something that people wanna see. So tell us what you think in the comments below. And check out the Procreate section on the Design Bundles site. You probably didn't know it was there. And once again, if you have a better title for this series, which you probably do, let us know below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Make sure you're following us on socials. Make sure you're in the DB Besties group on Facebook if you're not already. It's linked in the description below. And without further ado, happy Procreate crafting and happy crafting in general. And we'll see you back here next time, friends.